Alright, we're back. Let's see what kind of clearance we have now. Should be a lot more I had. Okay, what do we got here? Over 150. 50. 1, 2, and probably close to 250 there. Just my finger hit it on the other side. Figures. Don't hit it on the other side. It's about the same. Okay, so the same number. See, our clearance is still pretty tight. That exhaust valve is definitely, if it hangs at all, it's going to get tagged by that intake valve. She's close. Real close. I'm being generous on my TD numbers too, so which means we're adding a lot. Damn it. Square. Yeah, it looks a little better that way, but there's clearance, but it's still pushing. Always check both heads. It looks like there's no clearance that way, but this way you got some clearance. Definitely tight. Okay, next thing is our clearances for our valves, seals, stuff like that. Let's see here, what we're going to use for springs, that's the next question. Alright, we'll be right back, I'll figure this out. Alright, we're back. These are kibble springs. Stock collar when we're using. And keepers, huh? Why do you not have any keepers? Yeah. Guess we're supposed to use stock keepers? I don't know. It's hard to do it without keepers. Ugh. Alright, let's see what we're going to do for keepers. Where's the stock ones at? As long as I wasn't using stock keepers, I had crane in here. I'm not going to have the keepers I need now. Stock keepers, which I don't use. These are crane keepers. Alright, let's see if these match up. Kibble, crane. They don't fit. They also rock quite a bit too. That's a problem. I got thousands of these. I don't have any of these. That sucks. Not good. Find some keepers. I know there's a set thing in here though. Let's see, keeper box. I don't keep stock keepers, that's the problem. Those get thrown away. Or mostly thrown away. Probably they're not kept here. Not easily. Yeah. Wonderful. No keepers. Alright, well that's a problem. That's a big problem. See if I was able to mock this up a day or two ago, I could have had the problem done a lot quicker and easier, but now we're screwed. Alright, I gotta find me some keepers. We'll be back.